Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to add a picture to our contacts in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. To add picture to our contacts, we first need to have a picture. We have one in gallery of our little dragon friend here. So, to set up a picture in our phone book, we have to go to phone book first. Now, let's give our little dragon contact a photo. We need to tap this little camera symbol, and here we have few options: stickers, emojis. We can take picture right now, or we can go to gallery. Let's go to the gallery, and we can resize our photo, and let's leave it like this. Done. And don't forget to save, and our little dragon is now in our phone book. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.